All right, so we just left the split window bus thing. Just topped off some fuel. Now we're gonna go head back to the campground, meet up some people, and then go cruise around the loop. Stay tuned. Alright, we're about to go cruise the loop. Cruise the loop! Woo! We all got split up, so we're trying to get back together now. Trying to all get them into Tomoka.
I think that's everybody.
You're tailing Charlie?
No, I was about 4 cars behind you.
Well, I saw you most of the way, but you're like the last of our group.
As far as I know.
Yeah, all right. Are you getting any footage?
A little bit,
It's
not much.
It's supposed to be your B-roll.
I know, it's not working out.
All right, we'll get an opportunity. It'll be good.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not worried about it.
All right. We have to pay to use any facilities or anything. So if everyone's good and we're together, I say we go.
Let's just go.